Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 5 Nights at Freddy's on Piano Roblox. First, you'll want to launch a dedicated piano game within Roblox, such as Piano Keyboard or Virtual Piano. These games offer a virtual instrument experience. Next, ensure your computer keyboard is properly configured for responsive input, as this is crucial for accurate note playing. Take a few moments to get comfortable with the on-screen piano layout and its controls before diving into the music. This foundational step will make learning much smoother. Now, let's find the music. Search online for 5 Nights at Freddy's Roblox piano sheets or FNAF Roblox piano notes. You'll often find simple letter-based notation, like ASDFG, which corresponds to your keyboard keys. Many popular 5 Nights at Freddy's songs, such as the main theme or Toreador March, have readily available tutorials. Choose a song that matches your current skill level, perhaps starting with something with fewer than 20 notes for your first attempt. Once you have your sheet music, it's time to practice. Begin by playing each note slowly and individually. This helps build muscle memory and familiarizes you with the key placements. Don't try to play the whole song at once. Instead, practice small sections, perhaps 2 to 4 measures at a time, until you feel confident. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing. Even if the notes are correct, the song won't sound right without proper timing. Consistent practice, even for just 10 minutes daily, yields great results. To elevate your playing, experiment with different Roblox piano games. Some offer varied sound quality or unique features that might enhance your experience. For more precise control, especially if you're serious about virtual piano, consider using a virtual MIDI keyboard. This can offer a more authentic playing feel. Finally, don't forget to record your performances. It's a fantastic way to track your progress over time and share your musical achievements with friends within the Roblox community. Keep practicing, and you'll be a 5 Nights at Freddy's piano master in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.